stream sa YouTube soon, later. Pero wala pa nga tayo dun sa topic at hand no. Tinatry ko munang basahin lahat ng comments, no, so that alam mo yun, lahat ng comments
Boss pa ito, save muna tayo. Mahaba yung natin dun eh.
I see you're a practiced hunter. Took you less time to kill those scroungers than vanguards to kill one bristleback.
An image from the old world. Looks like some kind of building in front of sheer cliffs. The image is incomplete.
Hello. Afternoon everyone. Narinig niyo ba ako?
Of operating solo.
Is that thing finished? No, this is only the end of things.
Ang nakakainis lang sa Rebirth kasi yung minigame. Pero worth it naman.
Someone once told me.
You must be Sokolov.
Anong purpose nitong festival and nitong ano na to? Nitong ritual na to? Bakit?
It's like a stampede went through. Is this where the bristlebacks came from? How? This cave leads...
Diba? Walang commitment sa labas. Oh, kahit siguro pag naging hikikomori ako, ay ba putik yan. Oh, buhay na buhay tayo. No? Pero yun nga lang, since ang tendency decentralized, no? So, kapag decentralized, I mean to say, so lahat tayo may kopya, regardless kung ano ka man, pulubi ka man o mayaman ka. So, if
kita yung G-string niya. Hindi kita dito yan.
gaya nito kay Sony, na gumawa sila ng sarili ng blockchain. Ibig sabihin, sila yung owner, sila yung may-ari ng sila yung stakeholder nung blockchain.
Actually. Huh? I visited you in the hospital. You were still unconscious, though.
Then you must have seen me naked.
Yeah, but you were all wrapped up in bandages and tubes, so I couldn't do it.
It's comfort allowed the more.
How?
No one but unless I don't.
No other way in.
The only way. Look, help me.
You said the bristle.
Yes, sit.
We lost some good people, but we would have lost the whole quarry without you.
Well, at least it's quiet now.
Your ears ought to be ringing with a quarry at work, but Chain Scrape's whistle ain't.
You'll never make it in your
A
condition.
baby ka snake.
It's a jungle out there. There's still an hour before dawn.
Famous waffle. Yon, ganun lang siya. Parang pag kinonvert mo in peso yung binili mo, 500 pesos. No, may ano lang siya, may mukhang Mickey Mouse lang siya.
Yoko mag-aki. Ito yung kaya mo ba? Ay, hindi. Ay, ito pabila.
Of World War II, the world was split into two, East and West. This marked the beginning of the era called the Cold War.
Sir, iba mo yung spelling, sir. Ganito dapat ang spelling ng Zex. Tuturuan kita. Ayan. Ganyan dapat ang spelling lagi. Huwag nyo i-outright kasi binablock ni YouTube. Ni Facebook.
Yun. Hop, Zokidan. Oh, may camera yung flashlight. May lens. Ang kulit nga eh.
War
had the other nurse search the film. The second time I saw it, I could see her even more clearly. In the film, I could barely believe it.
Matic daw pag Pokemon Legends 2. I think that's the A and Z, tama ba? Yung parang sequel ng Arceus.
Okay. Iwasin muna ako, guys. Mukhang dito yung final boss eh.
Ethics. Pero ito naman ang mahirap din sa work ko, no? Kapag talagang kailangan mong tutok, kailangan mong magtrabaho, gawa talaga. 'Di ba? Kaya yung validity of
Minions won't stop pestering me. Now I've even worn out my special grill. Since I'm in the midst of a crisis, perhaps you could skip to what it is you wanted?
Some of your food?
Ganda ng nanay niyo. Ako pa nang kunin yung handgun ko.
yes, executable, hindi rin siya gagana kay Windows o kay Mac kasi nga hindi siya executable dun sa platform na yon. So, 'di ba, instead na parang, you know,
His demands go beyond. Corvin's been doing his best to appease. He even blamed himself.
Sounds like a good guy.
That's why we all put up with it. But if the whole mine becomes I'd rather suffer.
Where'd you get something like this?
I grabbed it from a Western munitions armory. It probably used to belong to one of your officers.
As much a hunter-gatherer as your clothing suggests.
Thanks, Mildef. I'll keep an eye out.
So that's what gratitude sounds like.
And don't let anyone push you around, okay?
Sokolov is said to be the man most responsible for the multi-engine cluster used in that rocket. After Gagarin's flight, Sokolov left rocket development to become the head of the
If it isn't the savior of Meridian, and of my very own operation.
Ano yun? Siguro 500 pesos. Waffle lang yun ah. Parang kasing laki lang ng waffle sa... Ano to? Ano yung yung Belgian? Yung Belgian... view ng game na feeling mo very truthful siya. Kailangan hanapin mo yung something na very passionate sa ginagawa niya. No? Ako naiintindihan ko, sometimes
Ulgan, how about a little coaction?
I would not expect too much if I were you. The political situation here is unstable. And Colonel Volkin is a member of the Brezhnev faction.
This note's addressed to Oland. Looks like this mine was supposed to be shut down. They must have gotten greedy. Kept blasting deeper into.
Ay, dito yung daan. It was crafted long before the other Kagura mask, and it was different from any other.
Para umuugong o nagwi-whistle daw yung mic mo. Hello, hello? Nag-ano ba? Baka piling ko dahil kay Claudie. Nila about sa ano yung state ng preservation natin, no, sa games. Na parang walang ginagawang take na actions, yung mga corporate. So yung server mo, ayun yung central bank o ayun yung bank. Depende kung saan yung source ng pera. So kapag binigay sa'yo yung
so we're stuck picking up the pieces.
You need the whisk.
Me and my candle, because if we, my people,
comfortable na tayo dito eh. Both yung publisher o yung company, saka yung user. Diba? Very ano na to eh, very comfortable na tayo dito eh. That's prior dun sa transaction na gagawin mo. Kailangan lahat yun valid. Kailangan lahat kayo pare-parehas. Kasi isa dyan na hindi valid, hindi rin magiging valid yung transaction. About gaming, peripherals, diba? So, dito rin sa atin, no? So, Black Friday sale din tayo. That's why meron tayong 11/11 and 12.
Nakuha ko na rin to.
Ayun eh, para may konting interaction or what, no? Pero I'm trying my best to refrain reading comments, no? Later. That's why binabasa.
We've got company. It's the Ocelot unit. Let's get out of here. Hurry.
Kaya naman ng angle. Awesome design.
I'm taking her down!
Burning up the plasma!
Diba? Yun yung benefit na may kita nila. Pero ang pinaka-primary na motivator dyan for the benefit is yung monetary benefit. Diba? So,
dito yan sa labas.
sabi, maingay ba eh. Kanyari. Kami ng mga kano, true. Grabe sa alipin ng mga kano, no? Siguro, ako medyo naintindihan ko din si Lorenzo at some point, no? Kasi nga pareho kami ng para
Di pwede kunan. Di ba ano to?
Yes, preferably something painful. Prove to me that this is not merely another one of your tricks.
The boss should be close to Colonel.
Okay.
Yun yung very unfair. Yung may example natin sa Nintendo. Diba? Yung take down nila sa Ryujinx. Diba? Very unfair yun para kay Nintendo.
Labang Hozoki dal dyan.
Status okay, all green. Prepare for drop-off. Countdown. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Wala tayo.
The name's Eva.
We can't prove our innocence.
Then I will be unable to restrain the military. I will be ousted, and they will seek their revenge.
A nuclear attack.
Sokolov. They wanted us to return Sokolov.
You mean the the Soviets pulled out of Cuba just to get their hands on Sokolov?
That's right.
What the heck?
I guess I did. Oh, the chain scrape's back to work. Urgent. I could check in on your... Around here?
The Tanakh tore down this place during the Red Raids. 2 years of labor, and we still have a long way to go. The work stoppage and chain scrape nearly halted our rebuilding efforts.
Nila yung buy na messaging no, or na button. But instead, naglagay sila ng notice na parang itong purchase na to or yung game na to is
Me. Have I ever given you anything less than perfection?
Yeah, I can fight too!
No matter where it takes me. And now, I'll carry them with me. Into the Forbidden West.
Decentralized, no? So, kapag decentralized, I mean to say, so lahat tayo may kopya, regardless kung ano ka man, pulubi ka man o mayaman ka. So, if